How to use Google NotebookLM. This tutorial shows you the basics of adding sources and getting answers grounded in your own material. First, open your browser and go to notebooklm.google.com. From there, sign in with your Google account. After that, click Create New Notebook. At this point, click Add under Sources. Following this, upload a file or link a Google Doc, YouTube video, or podcast episode. From here, once your source is added, type a question into the chat box at the bottom. At this stage, NotebookLM answers using only your uploaded content, with citations linking back to the exact passage it pulled from. If you want a quick audio summary instead, click Studio on the right side panel. Following this, click Audio Overview, then click Generate. Give it a few minutes while it creates a downloadable audio file. That's how you use Google NotebookLM. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then.